Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time. It is so awesome to have experts that care about this channel and care about all of you. Omar is up at 6 a.m. in Hawaii. Omar, show us that pretty view outside the window.
Check it out, guys.
Dude,
That's
he is
the view there of Alani here in Oahu.
awesome, man. Well, I'm so thankful. I appreciate you. I think this is a great topic. The importance of unplugging. As you know, I did it last week. Was it last week? Maybe 2 weeks ago in Tahoe.
2 weeks ago.
And you're doing it today in Hawaii. So let's just talk about the importance of unplugging.
Well, first of which, unplugging would be me not being on this call. Okay. First of which, but I'm still in a location and I still got Wi-Fi, so we're good. So it's literally to recharge.
Yeah.
You know, if you guys know me, I don't take a vacation. We don't take a vacation. We work, we take care of business. We might leave for a day or two and then come back. But to be completely removed from my normal routine or our normal routine has been awesome. And it feeds your soul.
Yes.
It feeds like honestly, my little almost 2-year-old, I have not been with her this much since she's born on a consistent basis. Like every day waking up to her. That's awesome. And then, and then just hanging out with her all day. It's been phenomenal. And it's crazy. It's like, this is why you unplug. This is why. It gives you that reasoning why.
Yeah. And you have I believe it's public knowledge. You have another one on the way, correct?
That's correct. That's why we're here.
Exactly.
We did a reveal here and it was cool. Nice. We wanted her to pop the balloon. That didn't work. But we're having another little girl, which is awesome.
Awesome.
And so we're celebrating that. Hanging out. And, girl dad. Yeah.
That's me
cool.
too. Girl dad.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So I got to tell you, this is something that you and I are both kind of just like grinders. We just we lean forward and we go, legs, keep up, right?
Yeah, 100%.
Keep up, right? Oh, I'm juggling 15 balls. Up, juggle more, right?
Yeah.
I've come to appreciate the need to unplug. I'm going to add it to my routine. It's interesting because even that week I was gone, it was planned. So for 2 weeks, I worked with all my experts, yourself included, to record that one extra video so that I could seed that week, because I didn't want my fans to feel like something had changed. But second, I do have a daily, I've had over 1,000 days in a row doing my daily financial news. So that was the one video I still recorded, still did it 7:30. But after that, right when it was 7:50, done. Phone was away, wasn't looking at anything.
That's awesome.
It was I'm not stopping that. I'm not going to, I mean, it would have to be something pretty bad for me to break that 1,000-day streak. So I get it, right? So coming on, doing this for a couple of moments is good. Then you go.
Yeah, exactly. Because it's my nature. It's like, I want to make sure that, I deliver or we deliver and you brought me on. So it's like, all right, hey, I had the longest running streak of not missing any days.
You did,
and I missed one and then we missed one or whatever the case. And it's like, all right, well, we'll shoot a couple.
Yeah. And doing this while you're on vacation is awesome. So it's unplugging is, some people think about unplugging as, I don't know. I always used to look at unplugging as being lazy. As I've gotten older, it's actually the exact reverse. It's healthy.
Yeah, I was going to say it's healthy. And I saw it the same way, Michael, because it's like, and in Hawaii, we're 3 hours later earlier than you guys. Yeah. Because it's 9:35 a.m. Right now on a Tuesday. It's 6:35. So I'm a little bit behind the 8 ball. Right. Does that make sense? So it's like, I have to get up really early if I was East Coast time, right? Just to hit that 8 o'clock bell. Yeah. But at the same time, so I think it does it on purpose. So when you unplug, it's like, you don't need your damn phone. Just, it'll work itself out. Unplug, be present with your family. Yeah. And
get those memories.
Exactly. And it's a challenge because just like you said, you thought it was being lazy when you unplug, And in essence, it's healthy because it does create more of motivation for you later.
Yeah, one of the things that you and Omar and others are working with me is my mindset, right? I've got to get out of I've so beaten into me 30-day quotas, 90-day quotas, just grind, never waste a day, work 6 days a week. I'm still broken.
With who?
Yeah. What?
With who?
Just working every day. Just, I have to get better. I have to get better. You're helping me. Adrian's helping me. I gotta fix this. I got something broken in here. So
it's not broken, Michael. It's just what we're used to.
I need to unlearn.
Unlearn. No. You know what it's called? It's, and I'll owe you $1. It's called unfuck yourself.
Deprogramming.
Deprogramming, because I trust me, I go through it a lot. And this is one of those things that it's part of us. This is what we've been ingrained. And you came from, what you came from.
Yeah.
And you don't want to go back. So
yeah. So kind of as you enjoy this, as you spending more time, as you have a little one on the way, are you adding these getaways to your future plans once a year, once every 6 months? What are we thinking?
Yeah, 100%. I was telling Alyssa, I was like, you know what? We got to do this once a year.
Yeah.
Like at least once a year. Next year is gonna, we're gonna have a little one that's gonna be almost a year.
Right.
So we could technically still make it. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in the plan and just unplug.
Just do it.
Yeah. And it's putting a little bit more fire under my butt right now. So it's like, okay, time to develop more processes and systems. So I'm not connected to the phone and everything else is running.
Yeah, I love it. Well, how many more days are you there?
We don't leave until Friday.
Oh, I love it. I love it. Well, do me one last favor. How can people find you? And then I will let you go and you'll have some fun.
Cool. Guys, follow me on IG at Omar_Alfaro, or my website, omaralfaro.com.
Thanks, buddy. I appreciate you.
You're welcome.